Healthcare is a highly competitive market. Most companies would want to be able to try and find an innovative difference to be able to get their message across in the most engaging way. We did these video brochures. And what did they achieve? It enabled a gift to be presented as well as a video to play, but more importantly, inside were the terms and conditions. Now, here's the message, is that these particular video brochures were delivered in a way that the client felt very, very special. Why? Because they were given a gift, they had all their information, but more importantly, they could see aspects around the benefits of working with this particular healthcare company. So if you're looking for cut through in your business, if you have a service or a product that is absolutely incredible and you cannot get it through to your ideal clients, we have a solution. We've distributed well over 30,000 different video brochures to many industries far and wide between Australia, New Zealand, and the rest of the world. So if you're looking for that innovative cut through as well as a way to bring new business through the front door, we should be talking.